Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Reezn on your Fire Stick using the latest working downloader code and the new FireStick interface. Reezn offers a clean, simple way to browse live channels, movies, TV shows, sports, and more, with useful features such as search and a built-in video player. Plus, I'll quickly go over some of its best features and explain why I won't be opening the app fully due to YouTube policy guidelines. So, let's jump in and get started. From your Fire Stick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type Downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say Downloader and the app will appear. Once Downloader shows up in the search results, move to the right and select it. Now, click on the orange Downloader icon and press the Download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After Downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen, move to the left and select the bar, then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and click on My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your Fire Stick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that Developer Options are enabled. Press the back button, open Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a FireStick 4K Max or a newer Fire TV device, the layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the Downloader app. Once that's done, your device is ready to install third-party apps safely. Now that everything is set up, let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find the Downloader and open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. Before we install Reezn, let me quickly tell you why you might want to check out this app. Reezn is designed as an all-in-one entertainment app with different sections for live TV, movies, TV shows, sports, and other content. Its interface is built around simple categories, making it easier to browse through the different sections instead of searching through a complicated menu. One of the features that stands out is the built-in video player, which means playback is handled directly inside the app. Reezn also provides different video quality options, allowing users to adjust playback based on their available connection and device. The app also includes a search feature, so instead of scrolling through every category, you can quickly search for movies, TV shows, channels, or other available content. Another useful part of Reezn is its organization. You can browse sections such as trending content, popular movies, latest releases, TV series, and different genres, giving you several ways to discover something new. Reezn is also designed to work across different devices, including Fire Stick, Android TV, TV boxes, and other compatible platforms, so the interface is built with larger screens and remote navigation in mind. Now we're ready for the installation. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the Reezn downloader code exactly as shown, 7987405. After entering the code, click Go. The Reezn download page will now load on your Fire Stick. The code is also currently listed online as the Reezn downloader code. Give the page a few seconds to load completely. The APK will now begin downloading. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your Fire Stick a few moments while Reezn installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN. Using a VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your connection secure, and can help avoid region-related access issues. I personally recommend NordVPN. NordVPN allows you to change your virtual location, protects your streaming activity, and helps prevent tracking or throttling from your internet provider. To install NordVPN, go back to the search option, type NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, sign in, and connect to a secure server before using third-party apps. You'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. If you'd like to check it out, feel free to use the link below. Now, let's take a look at Reezn. Go back to the home screen and scroll down to the bottom of the list. You'll find Reezn there. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video due to YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes. However, I can give you an overview of its interface and features. Reezn offers a clean and modern interface with different sections that make browsing easier. The app is designed to bring multiple types of entertainment together, including live channels, movies, TV shows, sports, and other categories. The built-in video player is another useful feature, allowing compatible content to play directly through the app. You can also find different quality options, which can be useful when you need to match the video quality with your internet connection. The built-in search feature makes it easier to find something specific without manually going through every category. Reezn also organizes content into different sections and genres, including popular titles, latest releases, TV series, movies, sports, news, and other entertainment categories. Another feature worth mentioning is its compatibility with multiple devices. Reezn is promoted for FireStick, Android TV, TV boxes, smart TVs, and other platforms, giving users flexibility when moving between compatible devices. The interface is designed around larger screens, and navigation works smoothly with the FireStick remote, making it easy to move between categories, search for content, and access the available features. And that's it. You've successfully installed Reezn on your FireStick using the latest downloader code and the new FireStick interface. I hope this guide made the installation process easy to follow from beginning to end. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss future FireStick tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.